Here's how to uninstall apps on the iPhone. So I'm in iOS 26, and to uninstall apps, there's a couple ways you can do it. One of the quickest ways would be to tap and hold anywhere on your background wallpaper, and eventually your apps will start to jiggle and shake, and you'll see this little minus icon show up, and that will allow you to just delete or uninstall any of these apps. You can remove it from your home screen, which will basically hide the app from your home screen, but you'll still have it installed, or you can delete the app. The other thing that you can do, and we can just tap off of all of our apps to get rid of that little jiggle mode, is you can tap and hold on the app you want to delete. So if I want to delete Instagram, and then once I see this menu pop up, I let go of my hold and I can select from any of these options here, like removing the app, etc. So we can go ahead and remove Instagram. It'll say, do you want to do this? Do you want to delete the app? We'll say yes. And it may even ask you if either do you want to delete all the documents and data, or it's going to tell you that the documents and data will be deleted, but anything stored in iCloud won't. So then we say, yeah, I want to delete that and the documents and data. And now that app is gone from my iPhone, so it frees up that storage space. And that's how you can uninstall apps. Now, if you tap and hold on an app and you hold too long, it will just basically allow you to move that app around and also initiate the jiggle mode, if you will. So we can just tap off of that. Basically, as long as you tap and hold, see that menu, and then let go, you can select from some of these options for that app. Or you can use the jiggle mode and remove multiple apps pretty easily doing that. That's how you can uninstall apps on the iPhone.